Alright guys, so we just got done playing some basketball and ended up punching Keith in the face. Now his eyes swole. His eyes swole. Got a headache, he don't even want to eat. Hey man. Hey bro. Hey man, my back hurt, bro. So we about to go get food now. Dinner time. Yeah, right. Dinner time. You already know. Look at Keith. Brick squad. Hey man, don't be running up on me like that, bro.
Man, you getting paranoid.
Yeah, man, I ain't getting
paranoid. What's gonna be on this tombstone here is right. Somebody was out to get him.
Keith's out to get me, y'all.
And they got him, huh? Yeah, they got him.
Dinner time. We riding back in the van because you already know how we do it.
Oh, Fernando.
We don't walk over there, all right? You gonna walk over there, Fernando? Fernando.
Am I on one of your vlogs?
Dinner time. You in my vlog now? What up?
Hey, all them vlogs I'm in.
Hey, he in the vlog, but he ain't gonna tell nobody about the vlog.
I'm not gonna tell nobody else.
Vlog world, why this guy keep talking about his eyes? I hit him in the eyes, so what, vlog world? You feel me? So you hear that, man? It ain't swollen. It ain't swollen. Hey, vlog world, check out this cat. Check out this cat, vlog world. Come here. Come here, cat.
We have to deal with it cautiously. Okay. Okay. I think we're on the second floor.
Cause we a big deal.
I hope you make it to this weekend.
You do too, huh?
Yeah, I hope you make it to this weekend.
Cinematic view, boy.
We gotta go downstairs.
Yeah, I smell the food. Hey, come on. Do it for the vlog. Oh, they all staring at us, bro. Walk fast, they staring.
Oh, and if you have medicine, you need to see the nurse fast. He has the medicine here tonight.
But that's my chair, bro. What am I about to say? Hey, make it. Wait.
Wake up in that camera and go. Know that I took it, okay? Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All I see is we had to crush him up a little bit. Oh, you said ourselves?
Oh, we do? Well, if we do, just put it on my plate first, cause I'll make you cut. Oh, you gonna take the first share, bro? Come on, right here.
What you want?
My plate. I'm doing it for the vlog, man. I don't want to record long footage, man. You can at least put it on the you know, ham, bro. I don't even know what this is. It kind of looks like dog food. I don't know about to eat a lot of that. What is this? Is this macaroni and cheese?
Oh. What am I doing? I don't know. Wait, what is that? I don't know.
It's
What's that?
I don't know what most of this stuff is, but you gonna eat it, ain't you?
Yep. I eat everything.
You eat everything?
Just about.
Alright, so we just got ready for church, you feel me? We just got ready for church. This boy right here, you know what I'm saying? The camera make your pants look a little better. This boy over here in a tight shirt acting like he got muscles. Where they at though? I don't know what's wrong with this fool. But yeah, man, you know, we just got ready for church, vlog world. We about to be doing it for the vlog tonight. Been a long day. Can't wait to get some Z's in, but you already know. I know yo Vladimir ain't talking, boy. You about to say go sit next to the beat girl. I'm about to stand right here.
The later you get here, the closer you gotta sit.
Hey.
See, everybody's left the front row too on both sides.
Hey.
of Jacob and Joseph. You know, in a few nights, I get excited about God. In fact, I'm an expressive person. I'm a type A personality. That's just who I am. And I'm not afraid to worship my God out loud. But in a few nights, a lot of crazy people are going to get together. They're going to gather in a stadium. I think it's the Denver Broncos and the Carolina Panthers. And they're going to worship a ball, a leather piece of a ball. That's what they're going to do. That's what it is. That's how they act. They worship this thing. And they're going to scream, and they're going to yell, and they're going to jump, and they're going to shout, and they're going to dance. They're going to wear their team colors, and they're going to spend huge amounts of money on a temporary high. Church.
So you know, about to get into this archery, you know. They call me the Black Robin Hood. You know what I'm saying? They call me the Black Robin Hood, doing it for the vlogs, you know. Hey, you think you the Black Robin Hood? No, what?
No, I ain't the Black Robin Hood.
White life. Hey guys, today's the last day of the Winterfest, and so far I've just learned that, you know, there's power in prayer, and you really need to have a prayer life, and you know, it shouldn't be something that you think you have to do. It should be something that you want to do every day. You know, you should have a bond with God, you know. So I'm really glad, you know, I came on this trip. And I feel empowered now, and it make me, you know, want to get closer to God, and it just make me want to walk in His ways more.
He said, don't be afraid of men in the faces. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Hey, he said, I'm calling you out of the dry places. I'm calling dry places. Say, come on up a little higher. Come on up a little higher. Come on up a little higher.
Guys, get this lunch started here. First of all, if you have enjoyed the food this weekend, would you just give our wonderful staff?
So what do you feel that you learned at Winterfest? So that's what you learned at Winterfest? How to dump garbage?
I'm a servant of the Lord, you know. How to enter. Get it in. Dump a bin.
Oh, this boy foolish.
I do it again.
Yeah. We're doing it for the vlog.
Hold on.
So they're gonna sing Oceans. They're gonna sing Dope Boys Cash Out. Oceans.
Do it. Oceans.
Hey, get him on the vlog. What up? What up? What's going on?
Oceans.
39 seconds in, and they still haven't decided about the song.
No, we decided. How does it start? How does Oceans start? Never gives up. It never runs out on me.
Your love. Woo! Woo! oceans, changing the weather.
I knew you could. I'm yours, and you are mine. Oh, wait, the bridge. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. And take me deeper than my feet could ever wander.
I like that. I like that. That was nice. Y'all got talent. American Idol.
Together, he's going to sing.
I'm not a singer, so. But he got that voice. He got that voice.
heard you singing.
He got that voice. It's the only way I can remember the song.
Look like no one's here, dude. You can go. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
You guys don't understand. This dude's like rapping. He's so amazing. Army?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what song to sing.
Yeah, I don't.
This guy got talent, though. I don't got no talent, bro.
You got a song.
Alright, you are holy, oh so holy. You are holy, oh so holy. What a privilege and an honor to worship at your throne. To
You see that? You see that on that brown on the tissue?
As long as you pull out of the driveway. He didn't even answer either.